Good morning, children. In last class, we discussed about parts of speech. In this class, we said that we'll discuss about articles. So now let us study about articles. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Articles are used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the other noun or the same noun. For example, I have a pen. Now here A is showing one pen, A. Singular. The object is singular. I ate an apple. How many apple? An apple. Means one apple. The moon shines. Now here A is also not coming. An is also not coming. Who has come? The. The means also one. But particular. That one only. Singular. A मतलब सिंगुलर, ए एन मतलब सिंगुलर, द मतलब भी सिंगुलर होता है. Articles are of two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. A or an are called indefinite articles. That means we don't know how many, means that can be mean out of so many, that is one. Like a star, the sun. Stars are many. From these many stars, कोई भी एक star. The sun. अब sun is also called star, isn't it? But sun is the nearest star. Now see, the nearest star to the earth. So here nearest star we are having only one star, only one. That's why we are adding the to sun and a to star. So this the is definite article. In an indefinite article, a used before singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. I hope you all know consonant and vowels. Vowel मतलब स्वर, consonant मतलब व्यंजन. In Hindi and other Indian language, we study swar and vyanjan. A to aha swar and ka to na vyanjan. So this A, E, I, O, U is called vowels and consonant is called vyanjan. So A is added to the word which sounds start with consonant, and an is added to the word which start with the sound of vowel. Following all of you, for example, a mango, a jar, a bat, a star. Here mango का M, jar का J, bat का B, star का S. All are consonant. Now see these example: an apple, an umbrella. Apples A, umbrellas U. Both are vowels. That's why we added a and an. Now the sun, the moon, the earth. They are only one. That's why the we are adding. For example, see this sentence. The boy sitting was punished yesterday. The boy who is sitting was punished yesterday. That means many boys are there. We are talking about that particular boy who is sitting. What we are saying? That boy who is only punished yesterday, not other boys. That's why we added the, the boy, not a boy. A boy sitting was punished yesterday, नहीं. The boy यानी कि सारे boys है उनमें उसमें से जो लड़का बैठा है. Particularly we are talking about that लड़का. So that's why the boy, that boy only. So the boy sitting was punished yesterday. So now you followed way to use a, an and the. Let me explain more clearly once again. Now see these words. A star, an apple, the sun, a planet, the earth, an hour, a horse. Now look at these two things. A star, the sun. This I explained you. Why we added a star and the to the sun. Now you find out why we added planet को a और earth को the. अर्थ के पास एन आना चाहिए ना, वो तो ववल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन नहीं, THE द ऐड किया गया है. अ प्लैनेट यानी कि वी आर हैविंग आवर सोलर फैमिली इज हैविंग 8 planets, isn't it? So out of that those 8 planet, 1 planet. So we are putting A over there. But out of those 8 planet there is only 1 earth. दूसरा जुपिटर है, वीनस है, वगैरह वगैरह जो भी है. दैट्स वाई अर्थ के पास हम द यूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो पर्टिकुलर प्लैनेट को हम अर्थ बोलते हैं, इसीलिए वी आर पुटिंग द. नाउ लुक एट दिस टू वर्ड्स, एन आर, अ हॉर्स. आर इज ऑल्सो spelled HOUR and horse is also spelled with HORSE. दोनों का स्टार्टिंग में H है यानी कि कॉन्सोनेंट. तो फिर why we are adding an to R and a to horse? Because we are not sounding H when we are telling R. H is साइलेंट. OUR हम जब बोल रहे हैं तो O से साउंड कर रहे हैं, H से नहीं, इसीलिए वी आर एडिंग एन ओवर देयर. जब हम हॉर्स बोल रहे हैं तो H से साउंड कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए वहाँ पर A को ऐड किया गया है. होप यू ऑल फॉलोड. इफ यू फॉलोड then you are going to do this homework. I have given you few words with a blank and you have to fill in those blank with proper articles, that is a, an or the. Followed? This homework you are going to do in rough notebook and check it out whether it is correct or not. So a, an and the. Okay children, we'll meet you in next class. Till then, goodbye. Stay home. Okay, take care of your health.